How to add profile pic on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can view your profile information. Now tap on Edit Profile. Here, you can edit your profile information such as your name, photo, username, bio, etc. Tap on Change Photo. Then select Upload Photo. Here, you can choose a picture from your camera roll to set it as your profile picture. Select a photo of your choice and then tap on Save at the bottom. You have now successfully changed your profile picture. So, by following these simple steps, you can easily add profile pic on TikTok.